Jennifer? F? Mark? Present. Okay, thank you. And before we start our lesson today, I want to know if you can remember what we learned last time. Yes? We drew an angle of 90 degrees. Yes, last time we drew an angle of 90 degrees. Who can remember our first procedure? Yes. We look at this line. Yes. And
so, having point A,
yes.
we drop a perpendicular to make a 90 degree angle.
Yes, thank you. I've heard that you can remember what we learned last time. Our lesson title today will be, we continue with cargo construction, and today we'll draw a 30 degrees circle and a 45 degrees angle. When is the date today? 14th of April. Today we are going to deal with construction. Construction of 30 degrees angle and 30 and 45 degrees angle. And our learning outcome will be, at the end of this lesson, we should be able to identify or state the tools used or equipment used in angle construction. We should be able also to construct a 30 degrees angle, and finally we should be able to construct a 45 degrees angle. I'd like to get from you what are some of the equipment used in angle construction. Yes, sir. Yes, we have a ruler, in my case I have mine. There is a pair of compass. We use the sets, but in our case today, we are going to construct these two angles using only a pair of compass and a ruler. We start with 30 degrees, and then I will use you with the drawing papers, and when your drawing papers are clean, emphasize on cleanliness, and ensure you use your equipment well, especially the compass for your own safety. Mount the paper and do the toe balance real fast. You know, for now you are able to draw the toe balance. Which measurement you need for the toe? Yes or no? 1 centimeter. 10 meters. Yes, that is 10 millimeters. now we can continue. Because last time we constructed a 90-degree circle, I want you, and we started with the basic. So, even in 30-degree circle, we are going to start a basic. So you can draw a baseline. And those would be construction lines, so you should use faint lines, use construction lines. You have gotten our point, that is point A, you use our compass. Using any convenient length. I will get from our point A, using any convenient length, you draw an arc. Using any convenient length, you draw an arc. That's what I'm saying. You draw an arc. See, you are together, you are proceeding well. I see most of you have done the arc, so you are proceeding well. One more thing will leave in one behind. So, if you are left behind, you can place your hand. After we have drawn our arc, from this point, from this edge of the arc, you just adjust your compass. Adjust your compass. And draw this arc. Have you drawn the arc? Then you can call it point B. You join point A to point B. join point A to point B. Have you joined point A to B?
Yes.
Have you drawn? Tell me what that anchor is. What have you said? Which is the anchor? Yes. That is the 90 degrees angle. But we are interested in 45 degrees angle. So what is the next step? Yes. Yes, after contracting the 90 degrees angle, we are going to dissect it to get our 45 degrees angle. Dissect angle. So we start here at point A. We make an arc to cut this line and the base line. After that, you adjust your compass. Starting at this point, you draw an arc and cut it using the other point. That is how it works. Yes. Yes, do it first. So finally, after we have drawn those arcs, we already have our 45 degrees. The only thing we need to do is to join the intersection of these arcs to point A. So, this 45 degrees, make sure you use the both lines. You are interested in this angle. That 45 degrees. Are we together? Yes. You can see we are proceeding. Everyone is able to do the 45 degrees angle. I think you can proceed to your next technical camp. That is 30 degrees angle. Who have an idea what are you've drawn the baseline. From the baseline, mark a point to be point A. From the baseline, mark a point to be point A. Leaving our point A. You see our point A at the reference, you draw an arc. You draw an arc. You start at point A, draw an arc. From point A, you draw an arc. Please draw the arc. Without interfering with the compass. Without interfering with the compass. At this point, we start at this point. And we cut the arc to get our intersection point. Call it point C. That's our point C. After that, we turn our point A, then our point A. Then point A, point C. Then point A, point C. And remember, we are using construction line. So this is in faith. If you use straight lines, yes, can see we are proceeding, we are almost stopping. We are together, almost stopping. Who can tell me the angle that we have just constructed? Yes? Yes, graph for Roman. We have not constructed 60 degrees. Again, you can see the able to compare. So this is our 60 degrees circle. But our interest is a 30 degrees circle. So what are we supposed to do? Yes? Yes, very good. This is our 60 degrees. So when we bisect, definitely we shall get our 30 degrees circle. So what are we supposed to do to bisect that? What are we supposed to do to bisect the 60 degrees circle? Yes? What are the next steps? Yes, Sama?
By using the intersection of both two lines, using an arc,
Yes.
we bisect another intersection using the points where the first arc intersects the line AB and AC.
Yes, then the C command. Command is using this arc as our reference point. We draw an arc cut the arc to get the intersection point. To get the intersection point and call it point. And call it point B. Yes, what are we supposed to do now? After getting the intersection. Yes. Yes, we're going to see the straight line. We're going to instead point D. Then point A, point D. And we're going to use it. Yes, can see, can be able to differentiate between construction and we should apply our existing this polarized to 30 degrees out. Have you done that? Have you obtained the arc? Make sure your work is neat. Yes. Yes, I can see you have constructed house. I want to know if you can remember the step you have used to construct this surface. And we start with our 45 degrees survey, the steps of constructing our 45 degrees survey. Yes, then. Yes, thank you. We draw this baseline and we identify our point to be point A. The next step, yes, sir.
Using point A, we make an arc which we will use to draw a perpendicular line.
Yes, thank you. After we have length of a compass, we draw an arc. After you have drawn our arc, what are you supposed to do? Using the same instrument, without interfering with the compass, you draw an arc to get the intersection point C. After that, after you have intersected, you join point C to A to get 60 degrees. Finally, yes, thank you. Please seat yourself. Before I leave, I want to leave you with an assignment. Construct a 75 degrees angle using a pair of compass and a ruler. Thank you. See you in our next lesson.